So this is the third day of the pre-trial conference. So I think what we can expect is both the defense and the prosecution naman po are trying to expedite. Ibig sabihin po nun ay sinusubukan natin talagang matapos sa lalong madaling panahon itong nagiging pre-marking. At we're working on it together. So hopefully naman po maging maganda yung takbo. Nagiging orderly naman po ang takbo since last Thursday pa, nung first day ng pre-trial. So we're very hopeful na matapos natin to. But again, the dami ng dokumento, which is normal for a case such as this. In-expect natin baka hindi tayo matapos ngayong araw, baka umabot hanggang bukas or even Thursday, which is the original schedule naman po of the pre-trial conference. So, tingnan lang po natin, mamaya po, magbibigay pa kami ng karagdagang update sa inyo kung nasa na tayo sa marking.
Attorney, may sinabi po kasi si Congresswoman Ministro na may proposal sila na common markings para sa same document. Documents of prosecution, which the defense is adopting, so common markings but dual grounds daw.
Yes, because ang documents naman po nila ay sa kanila at ang documents namin ay sa amin. So sa amin, because we're just being very careful then with the way we do things. This is really the way we do things naman. We want our own documents to be marked kahit na similar yung documents. Ito rin po kasi yung mga dokumento na gagamitin natin during the course of the trial. So yun naman po ay napag-usapan na at naintindihan naman ng bawat panig kung ano yun.
Attorney, reaction lang po dun sa request ng impeachment ng prosecutors sa impeachment court to compel the defense to specify bakit nyo po nilista rin yung mga witnesses ng prosecution?
Unang-una sa lahat, wala po sa tingin ko po, sa aming pananaw, hindi naman po tama yung terminology na mirroring or adopting because as you know, and you were here that day, halos sabay po kaming nag-submit ng pre-trial brief. Nasa bawat panig naman po yun kung sinong witnesses at anong mga dokumento ang iprepresenta. Ngayon, pagdating doon, if they file such a request, motion, manifestation, the defense is ready to respond accordingly.
Salamat po. Thank you po, Attorney. Crucial po itong phase na para sa, pagpipresenta ng witnesses later on.
It's for the orderly conduct of the trial po. Ito pong marking kasi ng mga pieces of documentary evidence. Ito po ay for identification purposes. Meaning, ibig sabihin po nun, minamarkahan natin siya para pagdating ng trial, ang mangyari na lang po ay we will refer to these documents as Exhibit 1, Exhibit 2, para naman po, kaya siya crucial kasi para maging smooth yung ating trial. Ginagawa to hindi lang naman po dito sa impeachment court, pati na rin po sa regular courts. Ginagawa po talaga. Kaya sanay naman po yung mga abogado natin dito sa mga ganitong cases.
Attorney, follow up lang doon sa kasi I think Kong Adyong raised kahapon sa pagtatanong niya, is there a possibility na kaya niyo kinuha yung ibang mga witnesses nilista is because they might be hostile witnesses? Parang nasa strategy po ba yun ng defense?
Sir, if whatever legal strategy it is, I'm sure you can understand that we will not disclose our legal strategy. But again, it is the prerogative of either the defense or the prosecution to choose the witnesses and the pieces of documents that they will, or pieces of evidence that they will be presenting. So really, I don't see the issue in that. But again, if they are willing to file the manifestation, tayo po nare-respeto po natin sila, but we will also respond accordingly. Because we keep on harping on this issue when in fact, sabay naman pong nagbigay ng pre-trial brief and it is well within the prerogative of each party to identify and present the witnesses that they would like to present. I think that's very clear.
Pwede ang surprise witness with 3 days notice?
Sa amin, basta sa atin, meron naman talaga mga reservations, pagkabilang panig. Kami din sa defense, meron din kaming na-reserve na witnesses, hindi namin pinangalanan. Bakit? Para sa kanilang seguridad. And if there is a rule that we have to disclose within 3 days, wala naman po kami nagiging problema doon. In fact, kami pa nga po yung humingi ng disclosure, number 1, ng order of trial, meaning anong article ang uunahin. And pangalawa, kung sino ang witnesses, humingi rin kami ng disclosure kung sinong mauna, sinong sunod. Bakit po? Kasi po, para po makapaghanda ang bawat panig, ang prosecution at defense, at pati na rin po ang impeachment court, ang ating senator judges. At kami din naman po sa defense, kung hiningi namin yun sa prosecution, willing din naman po kami na kami rin ay sumilalim sa ganung disclosure. Okay, thank you.